Hey there, everybody. It's that time of year. It's the end of January here. You know, we've been working hard towards our New Year's resolutions, our fitness resolutions especially. We've been hitting the gym hard, we've been working out, we've been spot on with our nutrition, but this is about that time where things start to peter down a little bit. And once February rolls around, it's game over. That's when a lot of people give up on their hopes and their dreams, and especially their fitness goals. And the gyms that were once full in the beginning of January are now starting to empty out a little bit. So I'm going to help you with that today. I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you might be struggling with your New Year's resolutions and how to fix it, and give you some action steps that you can take right now to do just that. So the first reason why is unrealistic expectations. So I'm here to tell you it's going to take a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. It's going to take some hard work, some dedication. It's going to take some grit to get to your goals, especially your fitness goals. You know, it's not realistic to lose 30 pounds in 2 weeks, or it's not even realistic to lose 30 pounds in a month too. So get that out of your mind right now. Don't set those expectations on yourself. You're not going to be able to work out every single day. Life's going to happen at some point. You're not going to be able to eat completely healthy every single day as well. So set your expectations realistically, assess your goals, and ask yourself if that's really realistic for where you're at in life, for what your weight currently is, or whatever it might be. And ask yourself, you know, the effort that it's going to take. Is it realistic to say that, you know, I'm easily going to reach that goal too? So that's the first reason. The second reason, this kind of leads me into the second reason, is punishing yourself. So like I said, you're not going to be able to work out every single stinking day. You're not going to be able to eat healthy every single day. Life happens, and you know what? Life is not perfect, and nothing in life is ever going to be perfect too. So get that out of your mind right now. A lot of us set the goal of, you know, maybe I am going to work out every single day, 365 days this year, and then that first time that you miss a workout, you beat yourself up, you get down on yourself. Maybe you tell yourself, you know, I can't do this, and then you give up on your goals completely. Or maybe you've been eating really healthy for the past couple weeks, and you know your husband's birthday rolls around, and you had a slice of cake, and you completely fell off the hinges right there, and you start beating yourself up about it. You get in that state of depression. You're embarrassed about yourself, so you push your goals to the side off for a while. So, like I said, nothing in life is ever going to be perfect. Quit punishing yourself. Pick it back up the next day, and you'll be just fine. The last thing is results aren't going quick enough. When it comes to weight loss and fat loss and muscle gain, whatever your fitness goals are, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not even going to happen in the first couple months. So I recommend giving yourself some time. Give yourself a full year to really start seeing those results. Your body's going through different changes and acclimating to things. And results aren't going to happen quick. And typically, if you are getting really, really quick results, if you lost 30 pounds in a month, typically that's going to be an unhealthy way, and you're going to have some long-term side effects. So keep that in mind when results aren't going quick enough. And a lot of times when things go slower when it comes to working out, when it comes to fitness, maybe you lose 15 pounds in 3 months or 4 months or whatever it might be. It seems like that's a slow amount, but looking back, you're going to see that it went by a lot quicker, and you're going to be able to keep that weight off a lot better as well. So those are kind of the 3 reasons why you might be struggling with your New Year's resolutions. So now I'm going to help you with 3 action steps, 3 things to overcome these as we go through the rest of this month and the rest of this year as well. So with the unrealistic expectations, assess yourself, assess your goals, and set an action plan. And work with that action plan too. Try to imagine the amount of effort and energy it's going to take, and ask yourself if it really is realistic to reach that goal too. I also recommend finding somebody that has accomplished your goals that you're shooting for, and maybe pick their brain a little bit. How long did it take for them to reach those goals, or what did they have to do to get there? What was the amount of work and effort that they had to put in to get to that goal? So, set those expectations on yourself, and realize that, we want to be realistic with ourselves and where we're at in life right now, and what we're doing. The second thing is we have to change our mindset. Rather than punishing ourselves, we have to change our mindset to realizing that nothing in life is ever going to be perfect. Our life is never going to be perfect. Today is never going to be perfect. And you know what? Yesterday you might have eaten a slice of cake, but you know what? The past is in the past. You try to make today just a little bit better than yesterday. Learn from your mistakes, learn from your experiences, and move forward. And one piece of cake or missing one workout isn't going to kill you at all. So keep that in mind, that nothing in life is ever going to be perfect. And the last thing is, with your results, not seeing those results quick enough, give yourself some time. Your body's going through a lot of changes metabolically. There's a lot of things going on at the microscopic level that you can't even see inside your body. Your body's in shock when you first start working out, when you first start eating healthy. It doesn't know what's going on. So actually, a lot of people will gain weight at first, and that's common. And also, you're going to be putting on some muscle. They say that within the first 4 weeks, you gain the most muscle of working out as well too. So muscle is a lot more dense than fat. So you might be losing fat, but at the same time gaining muscle, so your weight's either staying the same or you might even be going up a little bit on the scale. Let me tell you a story about a client that we've had in the past. She started off, and you know what, in the first 5 or 6 months, she actually gained about 2 pounds. And then after that, you know what, the next month she dropped 5 pounds. The month after that, she dropped another 6. And before you know it, she was down 30 pounds the next 3 months after that. So think about that. It takes time. Give yourself some time. Like I said before, I recommend giving yourself a full year to let your body adjust to the changes and acclimate and see if you start seeing results then. So many times people just give up after a couple weeks or after a couple months, or maybe they actually do lose a bunch of weight and then they just completely give up and then they gain it all back. I recommend giving yourself some time until you start seeing those changes, because it doesn't happen overnight. And ask yourself, how long did it take you to gain that weight? How long did it take you to lose that muscle? And typically, you know, maybe it's been 3 years and you're up 15 pounds. It took you 3 years to gain 15 pounds. So it's not going to take you, you know, a week to lose all that too. So keep that in mind. So that is 3 reasons why you might be struggling with your New Year's resolutions, and also 3 steps that you can take today to move towards your goals and overcome those obstacles as well. So keep that in mind as you guys go through the rest of this week, as you go through the rest of this year. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or shoot us a message. I would love to help you out, and I'll plan on seeing you next time. Bye-bye.